half minute, we went from 0 kilometers of altitude to 200 kilometers. We also went from 0 kilometers per hour to 28,500 kilometers per hour. That is the kind of speed that you navigate, right? It is a lot. वो बाहर से, when I've also seen rocket launch, it doesn't look like it is fast, but it is phenomenally fast.
So what happens is acceleration 28,000 kilometer per hour is like शायद 20 बार बॉम्बे दिल्ली या maybe more. Right? 8 minute में आपने बॉम्बे दिल्ली 20 बार कर लिया, like this, something like that. It's
yeah, if you give an analogy,
it's that intense.
Yes, it is intense.
28,500 kilometers per hour. अगर आपकी बॉडी उस स्पीड में जा रही है तो क्या होता है, ब्रेन आप देख पाते हो, लाइक इज योर आईज, सो लाइक आर योर आईज ओपन, डज योर ब्रेन लैक, क्या होता है?
सो एक्सेलरेशन इज वेयर द फोर्स इज फेल्ट, जहाँ पे आपको आपकी बॉडी फील करती है वो फोर्सेस. सो you start building up 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and you go up to 5G के आसपास का maximum figure is what you are supposed to experience. But 5G means that you are lying on your back in the capsule. So it is being felt on your chest. So it is as if somebody is pushing you back in your seat. Your chest is compressed, your lungs are compressed. So you cannot actively breathe through your lungs. You have to breathe through your stomach, जिसकी मतलब ट्रेनिंग होती है जो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस भी करते हैं ग्राउंड पे. Your head gets pushed back. Your eyes feel as if they are going inside. ये सारे forces जो positive acceleration की वजह से आपको feel होते हैं. Now उस time पे if you have to press a button, you have to raise your hand against the G. So your hand, which normally you can raise conveniently, but under 5G it becomes 5 times heavier. So it takes that much of effort to just raise your hand and take it to a particular button and operate it. So all these are things that are practice, that are trained, you are taught, but you live through that and then you eventually land up in space. And also this is not the worst possible case. And the worst possible case would be if something goes wrong during launch and you have to abort. And during abort, in the worst case scenario, I'm talking about 5G, your body may be experienced to 18 Gs. So that is what is going to be something significant. It is at 18 Gs. If I may give an analogy, which I've tried to put in the book as well, that it feels like a baby. It would be akin to a baby elephant sitting on your chest. That is the kind of force you would feel. So it is not for a long time. It is for a short duration only.